that wearing red shirts that roaming around the area. It only costs for you for 100 pesos per chance of beats and 5,000 pesos for the beats. Moving on, ladies and gentlemen, to our next candidate number 3 from Pampanga with a minor statistics of 32, 34, and 32. 49 high jump and 22 years of age from Avalon Bar. Put your hands together for Miss Juliet Obrano. Ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 5, representing from Subic Bay with a minor statistics of 36, 28, and 34. 5-point high jump and 26 years of age with a gold number of P630 from the House Bar. Put your hands together for Miss Casey Aprio. Swimsuit competition. And more beats. Thank you so much. Once again, this video will be from the House Bar. Ladies and gentlemen, to our contestant number 11. She comes to us with an number 18. With a minor statistics of 32, 25, and 38. 5-2 high jump and 26 years of age. With a gold number D409 from the House Bar, you wait for Miss Amory Loretta. Ladies and gentlemen, it's beats time. Thank you so much, Miss Amory Loretta from the House Bar. Second to the last one, gentlemen, she comes to us from the White Villages of Subic Bay with a minor statistics of 36, 28, and 34. 5-7 high jump and 22 years of age with a gold number of D163 from the House Bar. Beats one of Miss Mia. Give now. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's beats time. Once again, gentlemen, beats are available for owners that wearing red shirts that moving around the area, gentlemen, and only cost for you for 100 pesos. Christmas beats and 5,000 pesos for the golden beats. Thank you so much, candidate number 13, Miss Mia. And so I'll be our top 7 candidates, candidate number 14 from the land of Sorcerer.
never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous,
but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing.
I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous,
but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous,
but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing.
I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful, I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental, and I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I had no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna